Hi everyone. Welcome back to AVA Learning. Are you learning English? Great. Today we'll improve your English through an inspiring story. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to support the channel. Now, let's begin. Introduction. Today's lesson is about a person whose name almost everyone on Earth knows, Elon Musk. When you hear Elon Musk, most people immediately think of money. And that makes sense. He's one of the richest people to ever live, with a fortune of over $440 billion. That's enough money to give $50 to every person on Earth and still remain a billionaire. But here's the surprising part. His success isn't just about hard work or having a good idea. Millions of people work hard. Millions have brilliant ideas. But almost none become the richest person in the world. So what makes Elon Musk different? This is not only a story about wealth, it's a story about passion, risk, creativity, and bold decisions. Today, we'll follow Elon's life from a curious boy in South Africa to a world-famous entrepreneur leading companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and more. And who knows, maybe his story will inspire your dreams too. Chapter 1. Growing up in South Africa. Elon Musk was born in 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. His mother, May, was a model and nutrition expert. His father, Errol, was an engineer. Elon had two siblings, Kimball and Tosca. As a child, Elon was extremely curious. He loved books, especially science fiction, technology, and engineering. He often spent hours reading, while other kids played outside. He became interested in computers at a time when almost no homes had one. Using a simple manual, he taught himself how to program. At age 12, he even created and sold a small video game. School wasn't easy. Elon was quiet and shy, and he often felt like he didn't fit in. He was bullied badly, and his relationship with his father was difficult. These experiences made him dream about a different life. South Africa also required young men to join the military. Elon didn't want to participate in a system he disagreed with. So at 17, he made a life-changing decision. He left South Africa and moved to Canada. This was the beginning of a new chapter. Chapter 2. Moving to North America. Canada offered Elon a fresh start. He studied at universities there before transferring to the University of Pennsylvania in the United States. At Penn, Elon earned 2 degrees, one in economics and one in physics. After graduating, he was accepted into a PhD program at Stanford University in California. But he didn't stay long. Just 2 days into the program, Elon realized he didn't want to sit in a lab. He wanted to build things in the real world. The internet was growing fast, and he wanted to be part of it. So he dropped out and began his journey as an entrepreneur. Chapter 3. Zip2 and X.com, PayPal. Elon's first company was Zip2, created with his brother Kimball. It offered online maps and city guides for newspapers, a big innovation in the early days of the internet. They struggled at first, working long hours and sleeping in their small office. But eventually, the company grew. In 1999, computer giant Compaq bought Zip2, making Elon a millionaire in his 20s. But instead of relaxing, he immediately started a new company, X.com, an online banking service. X.com later merged with another company to form PayPal, which soon became the world's most popular online payment tool. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for a huge amount of money, giving Elon his second major success. Most people would have stopped there. Elon didn't. He began thinking bigger, much bigger. Chapter 4. SpaceX, Reaching for Mars. Elon used much of his PayPal money to start SpaceX, a company focused on rockets and space travel. His dream? To make space travel affordable and eventually build a human city on Mars. But the early years were painful. SpaceX's first 3 rockets exploded. The company was close to collapsing. Then, in 2008, the 4th rocket finally reached orbit. That success saved the company and led to a major contract with NASA. SpaceX went on to build the Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon spacecraft. But Elon's ultimate goal remains ambitious: a future where humans live on other planets. Chapter 5: Tesla, the Electric Revolution. In 2004, Elon joined a small electric car company called Tesla. He believed the world needed clean energy and better cars. Tesla's first car, the Roadster, proved electric cars could be fast and exciting. Then came the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y, along with massive, gigafactories, to build batteries and vehicles. Today, Tesla is one of the most valuable car companies on Earth, and it changed the entire auto industry. Chapter 6: More companies, more ideas. Elon didn't stop with Tesla and SpaceX. He also helped create Solar City, solar power systems for homes and businesses. The Boring Company, tunnels designed to reduce traffic in crowded cities. Neuralink, technology aiming to connect the human brain with computers. xAI, an artificial intelligence company focused on safe and powerful AI. Each company tries to solve a big problem: energy, traffic, health, or technology. Chapter 7: How Musk Became So Rich. Elon Musk became extremely wealthy not by saving money, but by risking it. He reinvested almost everything he earned from Zip2 and PayPal into new companies. At one point, he had so little cash that he had to borrow money for rent, while running companies worth millions. His secret was simple: think long-term, take big risks, innovate aggressively, solve real problems. He once said, "If something is important enough, you should try, even if the probable outcome is failure." Chapter 8: Personal Life and Challenges. Elon's personal life has been complicated. Fame brings attention, both positive and negative. He works extremely long hours, often sleeping at his factories. He has been married multiple times and has several children. Balancing work and family is a constant challenge. Elon is also active on social media, which sometimes brings controversy. But whether people love him or criticize him, he remains one of the most talked about people in the world. Chapter 9: Buying Twitter, now X. In a surprise move, Elon bought Twitter, one of the world's biggest social media platforms, and renamed it X. He made major changes to the platform, sparking debates worldwide. Some people liked the new direction, others didn't. But it showed one thing clearly: Elon Musk is not afraid to make bold decisions. Chapter 10: What's next for Elon Musk? So what will Elon do next? SpaceX is working towards sending humans to Mars. Tesla is improving electric cars and developing new battery technology. Neuralink is testing brain-computer interfaces. The Boring Company continues experimenting with tunnel transportation. xAI is building advanced artificial intelligence. One thing is certain: Elon Musk is not finished. He will continue trying to shape the future on Earth and beyond. Conclusion: if you learned something new today, please thumbs up, like the video, speech balloon, comment below, bell, subscribe for more English stories. Your support helps us create better lessons and more amazing stories for you. Thank you for watching AV Learning.